Located in the southwestern corner of Utah, Bryce Canyon was created by the erosion of sedimentary rock by water, ice, and wind. Bryce Canyon is not actually a canyon, but a natural amphitheater that spans more than 35,000 acres. The structures, or spires, that give it its unique appearance are called hoodoos, and although they are found throughout the Colorado Plateau, they are not found at this density anywhere else. Southwestern Utah had been settled by Mormon homesteaders in the mid-1850s. Areas surrounding the park had been heavily used as a grazing grounds, and the activity had begun to threaten the delicate structures within the park by the 1900s. By the early 1920s, conservation groups and Utah locals had begun to campaign for protected park status. Conservation groups found an unlikely ally with the Union Pacific Railroad. Although the railroad was more interested in expanding a line into the area for tourism purposes than it was for protecting the area, conservation groups recognized the importance of participating in a park development process. Agreements were made to place lines far enough away to protect the park and to decrease traffic in and out of the fragile area by other means. Lobbying by the partnership was successful, and the park achieved nationally protected status in 1928. Development of resources began in 1924 as part of a massive civilian conservation corps effort, and a lodge as well as scenic roads that allowed for observation of viewpoints throughout the park and to protect at-risk areas from traffic were constructed. Sadly, this park sees far less visitors than nearby Zions National Park and Grand Canyon National Park, most likely because it requires a short detour of a few hours when traveling in between the two. This is unfortunate because it is located at a midway point between the parks and is far less crowded. The lower amount of traffic at the park makes it an excellent destination where visitors can utilize an extensive network of trails. The hikes can range from an easy 45-minute hike to a difficult 23-mile one requiring a backcountry permit. Bryce Canyon National Park provides free transportation access to 13 different viewpoints, many accessible to wheelchairs or other limited mobility patrons. This makes Bryce Canyon an excellent destination for anyone of any ability seeking to experience this rarely seen area of the American West. The facts presented in this video were provided by the National Park Service Bryce Canyon National Park Historic Resource Guide. Thank you.